Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video I'm gonna show you what mode do you have when you tune the car to the dyno. How many mode do you have on a car? So the tune come in with 5 mode. The first one and the second one and third one, and there is many mode. So what's the first one and the second one? So only 2 mode you can drive with the car. So there is regular mode like for sports mode, and there is like a pop lane, like a mode for when you drive on highway, you hear like popcorn. So how you do it? So let's show you. So the first one, you tap the top one here, you hold it down, and you gotta show it one click there. This is the first mode. If you want the second mode, you can drive with it too. You do the second thing like that, and twice. 1, 2, you gotta see twice there. So 1, 2, you gotta say it twice. So the third one is for popping noise, like pop, like a backfire. If you want a backfire, I have to press this one here and 3 times down to hear the backfire. And the second mode, 4 times. There's economic mode. So the Infiniti G35 doesn't come with economic mode for economic for the gas, but you can with the tone they have economic mode. 4 times clicking there, pushing down 4 times. And the mode, the 5 mode is for lock the car. Even someone has the key, no one can start your car. So you do it same thing, up, down, and 5 times. When the car is cold, the car is off, no one can start the car besides you. You have to come 2 clicks off, and you do it 5 times the car, then you can give the order to start in the car. So let's see the exhaust, how they gonna be sound. For the first mode, we're gonna do like that, or we're gonna do like that. This is the first mode. For the second mode, we're gonna do like that twice. For the third mode, this is for the popping exhaust sound, backfire. For the third mode, we gotta do like that, and 1, 2, 3. So guys, how did you see? This is the mode, how to use the tune mode, like backfire and popcorn and all this stuff. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Like that, will show you more tricks. Thank you.